I'm Nilesh. I've come from Dubai. I got diagnosed with CKD in August 21. I went for emergency dialysis through Permacath and was recommended for kidney transplant. Through friends and some of the doctors of Max, we came to know that Max is very good in terms of kidney transplant and they do robotic surgery. So we came and consulted Dr. Anant Kumar. Post consultation with me and my donor, which is my aunt, everything was cleared. I was impressed with the comprehensive checkup they do. I was also impressed where they make us aware of the risks and how I have to change my lifestyle post kidney transplant.
Mr. Nilesh is a businessman from Dubai. He has contacted me 6 weeks back for the possibility of the transplant. So he has come here and his maternal aunt was ready to donate. So we discussed with him that robotic transplant, because robotic transplant has a great advantage in obese patient, because your incision is small and you drop the kidney and the whole operation is done with the help of the robot. So it decreases the pain, morbidity, wound infection.
My kidney transplant was performed on October 12th, 2021. It was a painless surgery. I did not come to know. And I post surgery when I came awake, or when I became awake and came to the ICU. The pain was not there. A bit of discomfort was there. They took me off painkillers on the second day itself. Third day, they made me walk. I was pretty impressed in terms of how I could gain my strength and get back on my feet.
So he agreed to undergo robotic transplant and he did very well. Next day he was sitting and taking tea, coffee and started eating, moving around, and he did not have much pain and he appreciated the operation, and he was discharged within a stipulated time of 7th day. Now it is almost 1 month. He has lost weight. He is feeling very good. And he says he never felt so well in his life, and he is very happy for making decision to come to Max Hospital and get the robotic surgery.
Dr. Anant is a wonderful person. He interacts with you personally. He addresses all your concerns because when you come for a kidney transplant, you are pretty nervous. You don't know what will happen, and there are a lot of things which are unknown. So he counsels you. He gives you confidence. And in terms of when you go into the operation theatre, right, so you are fully comfortable that yes, what decisions you have taken to undergo the kidney transplant and especially robotic surgery is extremely clear. So you feel confident when you go into the operation theatre, and when you come out, he personally meets you and assures that everything is going right. So it has been a wonderful interacting with Dr. Anant. I wish him success. Thank you.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.